feel and why it's important to celebrate Kashmir Day?
Well, first of all, I'm delighted to be here. I think it's wonderful seeing at the front of the Rochdale town hall, raising the flag of Kashmir. Ultimately, is one of the longest ongoing dispute which millions of people are suffering. And it's also important because of our next generation which is being brought up here to know their roots and to understand some of the issues and complexity that exists. So it's good to see the leader of the council, the member of parliament from Rochdale here as well, supporting this. I think we should do more and more of this so there's a better awareness.
Afzal, are you going to support Kashmiris in getting in national census as a category?
Absolutely, I support every British people who are living here, Kashmiri, Pakistanis.
I'm not talking about every. I'm talking about Kashmiris. Are you going to campaign on it?
I want to make sure we have excellent services for everyone in the Northwest. That's what I'll be standing up for, all the communities in Northwest, including the Kashmiris, of course. I'm half Kashmiri myself, so it's for my